Remember when you told me you believe in something and you said you're done pretending that fate is patient. Go run away, get it out of your system. Come back when you're older. Go find a place where you can't be the victim. And come back when you're older. Go catch the storm within your broken bones. And be wild, 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 wild,
just after 8, it's 8:06, and I am running across town to go to Walmart. I don't know if Target opens this early, or I'd go to Target, but I honestly don't think they open till 9. I'm just gonna check really quick. I'll wait till I get to this light to check. But I have to get the puppies food bowls, I have to get her a blanket, and then I have to get her a little, hopefully I can find a little bitty harness. I'm extremely tired though, because I was up till 11:30 to edit the vlog from yesterday that's just went live this morning. I wanted to make sure that in real time I posted that we were getting her today, so that it wasn't like a random thing that I was just appeared to have this animal show up at my house. And I cannot believe that I vlogged yesterday randomly when all this happened. Like, it really worked out perfectly. I had no clue this was gonna happen, and I'm so glad that I was just randomly vlogging, because now I have that memory captured. And yeah, so I'm extremely tired from staying up to do that. I wonder if Target's open. I really don't think they open this early. Oh, they open at 7 a.m.? Oh, well, I guess I'm going to Target. Holy crap, I didn't realize I thought they opened at like 9 or 10, you guys. I've been missing out. But, okay. My life has now changed quite a bit, thinking that Target was never open this early. But I'm gonna run and grab her stuff really quick, and then I also need to call our groomer, because they have the dog food that we're gonna use, and I need to get her scheduled just to get like a puppy bath, I guess. She has quite a bit. I can show you guys a picture. She has quite a bit of hair already. I mean, she's not like a human baby where the hair grows. I mean, she came out with hair, but obviously as she gets older, the hair is gonna get longer. I just wanna make sure that she's nice and clean. And I'm sorry my camera's shaking, because these roads, this mount does not do good with divots in the road. So yeah, I'm almost to Target now, and I just gotta grab this stuff quick, and then I have to go home, and I have to take the rug out of my living room. Celie mistaked that rug once when she was potty training. I think she thought it was grass. So she had one accident on it when she was like freshly home within a week. So I removed the rug, and she never had any more accidents after the first like couple days home. So I'm just gonna move the rug now, since I already know that the puppy probably will think that it's grass. And so we'll just kind of cut that and get that done. And then, yeah, I'm going to pick her up at 2, so I'm really excited to meet her.
Whenever I'm with you, I am alright. There's something about the way you make me feel inside. I'm counting down the days till we fly away, heading to the sun, only you and me. Don't wanna waste another day being stuck here in this place. No, wanna hold your hand in mine, watch the sunset in your eyes. Baby, I want us to act like we are 22 right now. Just let go, lose control, play songs on the radio too loud.
Alright guys, we are on the way to go pick her up. I'm so excited. And I just posted some name polls over on Instagram because I asked for some suggestions and I actually kind of liked some of them. But I left TJ Maxx and I actually found a set of Ray Dunn puppy bowls. I've seen the bigger dog ones, either the food or the drink bowl, but never both in the same at the same time. And I actually found the full set of puppy bowls, and it was just like meant to be. They were just kind of stacked behind some other bowls, and I was like, holy crap. I'm just very happy because I like, obviously it matches my kitchen stuff. They're not rare, but I've never seen a set of both the same size before, so I just got lucky today. And I got her an avocado, I'll do a haul when I get home, a little puppy bed, and a toy, and a little blanket. I had to buy a baby blanket because normally I buy my blankets from Walmart because they're like the $3 cheap blanket, so if the dog destroys it, it doesn't matter. But I didn't have time to go to Walmart because right now I'm like 3 minutes behind when I wanted to leave because the drive-thru was popping today. Even though it's 1:30, the drive-thru was insane. I thought it would be safe to go after 1, but it wasn't. And I also picked up her food as well. So we're on the way and I cannot wait. I will vlog whenever I get home. I hope the car ride is going to be okay. I'm nervous about the car ride with her because I don't know if she's going to be scared and like climbing up me. I didn't bring the pet taxi because I couldn't find it in the garage, and I'm kind of nervous that I couldn't find it. So I'm just going to lay her blanket out on my seat and hopefully she's okay. I'm just kind of nervous, so we'll see.
Take me out to California. Take me out to California. I feel the day is coming to an end, and my eyes.
Come here.
When she's older, she'll get big and I can't hold her.
You'll still be able to hold her probably. She won't get too big. Do you like her?
Yeah.
What's her name?
Wait, Ruby?
Ruby? No. Do you remember?
No.
Miffy?
Yeah.
What is it?
Miffy.
Miffy?
Yes. Yeah. Look at her belly.
Mifflin, aka Miffy, like Dunder Mifflin from The Office.
Hey, look at her belly. What are
Yeah.
the spots?
We'll talk about that later. Put her down. So it's the next day. Sorry about that, but I was just kind of dealing with the puppy, and I've been solo parenting it now for like a week. And hopefully this solo parenting stint ends soon. And I think it ends tomorrow. I think my husband's off schedule is tomorrow, or starts tomorrow. But she was a joy to have last night. She didn't whine at night at all, thank goodness, because I know with Celie we had a little bit of an issue with her. Just in the beginning she was kind of whiny because I'm sure she was scared and, you know, not where she was, you know, was the night before. But she's super sweet. She likes to chew on things because she's a puppy, so I think she might be teething, but hopefully no shoes will be spared in the teething process. And overall she's just really sweet and sassy. She is little. She's a tiny little thing. Like, I think she might not even be 4 pounds yet. I'll have to see when we go to the vet, when we weigh her. But she's adorable. And I think she likes having this big yard to run around in, even though it might be intimidating because this yard is, we have a pretty good sized yard, especially when it comes to her size. I'm sure she's like, this is a massive place. But Celie's doing really well with her. Aniston won't put her down. She absolutely loves her, and she's just a sweetie. And I'm so glad that we have her. I'm so glad that this happened. Like, what a nice surprise. And I love her. She's adorable. So I will keep you guys updated, of course. Try to keep her regularly in the vlog. And like always, twins are taking a nap, so they won't be here for the end of this vlog. I can't wait for them to stay awake longer. Right now they're only staying awake for about an hour and a half periods, so still napping 3, sometimes 4 times a day. But I'm still able to get a lot of stuff done, so I'm thankful for that. So I'm going to go ahead and end this video here. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye.
You're vlogging me?
Yeah.
I see.
I can't share. There's the screen.
but I'll be